In this video, we will show you how to install an access panel in an air duct safely and efficiently. Before starting, it is essential to make sure that we have the necessary personal protective equipment, gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. For this installation, we will use one of Teinova's compressors, which has an additional air outlet for the use of drills and power saws. The first step is to position the sticker with the duct shape that comes with each access panel. This sticker will serve as a cutting guide. Stick it firmly to the surface of the duct, exactly where you want to install the access panel. Once the sticker is in place, use the drill to make a hole in one of the edges of the shape. This hole will be the entry point for the power saw, allowing you to cut out the shape of the access panel accurately. Using the power saw, cut carefully along the outline of the sticker. Take your time to make a clean and precise cut. Before installing the access panel, place the protective edge trim around the edge of the cut. This will not only prevent accidental cuts from the sheet metal, but will also improve the sealing of the access panel, preventing possible air leaks. It also protects the hose of the duct cleaning equipment, since during internal cleaning the hose must rest on the opening that has been made. Finally, place the access panel inside the duct. Insert one of the corners first, then adjust the rest until it is properly fitted into place. Make sure that the access panel is secure and correctly aligned for optimal performance.